things people talk about in this arrogance is that all of these Hello, everybody. Dr. Rick Wallace dropping in on you. Hope everybody is having an unbelievable day. First of all, I want to kind of give a disclaimer. As we process and begin to change and do some different things as far as branding is concerned, obviously, we're moving into some new technical explorations. And so, the backdrop is something new we're using. So we're doing the whole green screen thing. And anything can happen right now because we're in the testing mode. The green screen isn't even securely up. I just put it up for a test run and decided why not share what I had on my mind, because today is going to be moving sort of rapidly for me. And now is a good time as any. So work with me. If it falls down, we're going to pretend like it didn't, and we're going to keep moving. The message will still be the same, but we're getting things prepared to go into another stage of what we're doing, both at the Visionaries Institute and the Black Voice, and eventually a couple of other subsidiaries of Rick Wallace Enterprises. We're definitely making a move to do something exceptional and extraordinary in the second half of this year. Despite all the challenges we faced over the last year and a half or so, we are intent on moving forward and pursuing what we believe to be our destiny, with me out front. So with that being said, look, we're going to move off into this. I want to talk to you before I forget. In most places that you're watching this, because I'm streaming on multiple platforms right now, but in most places you're watching this, there will be additional resource links there for you. If you haven't gotten book number 23, Merging Souls, Healing, Hope, and Restoration in Modern Marriage, definitely get that book. If you're thinking about getting married, if you are married, if you are divorced and considering what your next move is, that's a book you want to really grab hold to and consume probably more than once. I think it is a blessing. I think it is a great guide. It's not the mark of a guru. It's the mark of pure principle and understanding how to relate to people. It's tried and proven. So check it out. Also, we're running out of time. We have 3 days left. Today is the 28th. So the 31st is the last day to sign up for the final offering ever of multiple sessions of the Rapid Breakthrough concept and program, which is normally a one session deal. And you're going to get multiple sessions for less than what the one session would normally cost. But this is the last time we're doing it. Like I said earlier, we're moving into a new phase of what we're doing, and we don't have the capacity moving forward to engage one-on-one engagement on a volume level. Obviously, I will keep working with my individual clients, but those are long-term clients I'm working with anywhere from 6 months to a year. So if you want an opportunity to work with yours truly, here's a last chance to do that at a remarkable value. So grab that. Now let's move on. Taking responsibility for your life, focusing on you and nothing else or no one else. One of the things that I see consistently are people who are so focused on what someone else is doing that they cannot focus on what they need to be doing. They're focused on whether someone is doing something they shouldn't be. They're focused on whether someone is worthy of what they have and what they've done. They're focusing on so much other than what it is they should be doing. So focus on yourself. That's the first thing, but taking responsibility. I remember reading Oscar Wilde once said, most people expect responsibility from someone other than themselves. And that's huge. Everybody's looking for someone to be responsible, but the person they're looking to be responsible isn't them. Take responsibility for who you are. Take responsibility for yourself. Another thing that I want to remind you of is that the road to success is not clear. The path to success is never a clear path. The road to success is under constant construction. It's always under constant construction. What does that mean? Expect delays. I tell people all the time, delay does not mean denial. It is not the indication that what you're pursuing is not going to happen. It's simply saying you're going to have to press forward. You're going to have to push through. You can't give up. You can't turn around. You can't relent. No surrender, no retreat. Push. Stay consistent, be relentless. It is the one who finishes what is started that absolutely experiences success. It's not how fast you get there, it's that you get there. What I want to leave with you finally, is so much down here now. A lot of people are deterred by bad situations, setbacks, what someone might call bad breaks. Bad breaks often precede the breakthrough. Bad breaks it's like the universe's way or God's way of testing just how bad you want something. When it's there, next thing you know, here comes setback. I've gone through setback after setback over the last few years. One thing happened, my health. I've had several things with my health. Then I lost one of my primary revenue generators through my largest YouTube channel. One thing after another that interrupted a major plan and the way I was focusing. I could have just stood up and said and threw my hands up because it seemed like one breakthrough, but then I stood up and said, no, we never quit. That's not how I'm built. I'm not built to give up. I'm not built to quit. I'm pushing through. I'm going for it. I'm never, ever, ever going to let go. I'm going to finish. Am I where I want to be? Am I where I could have been if all this stuff would have happened? No, but I'm definitely not where I would have been if I would have quit and I would have given up. I've made some progress. I've made some significant progress, and things are still moving forward. We're excited about it, but what I can tell you is you cannot count delay as now. You can't as denial. You cannot count your setbacks as an indication of the inability or the impossibility of finishing. Hold true to what it is you do. Stand firm, believe in yourself, believe in God, believe in your capacity to fulfill. On that note, look, I'm going to get ready to get out of here. As I always say, live your life on full so that when you leave this place, you don't eat. That's how I live every day. I live my life on full so that I don't eat. That's my challenge to you. Don't forget, if you haven't signed up and enroll, we're running down to the last few days. Definitely sign up. I look forward to working with you guys. For those of you who did sign up, I'm having a ball. On that note, I'm out. Dropping in with a little special announcement for those who have followed me for any stretch of time. Outside of the businesses that I run, like Myriad Business Solutions, the Visionaries Institute, Odyssey Media Group, I also do a great deal of work inside of the inner city communities in Houston, Dallas, and other areas. I'm asking now, as we push a fundraiser, that you support what the Odyssey Project is doing in the inner cities, especially with programs like Black Men Lead, which is a rite of passage initiative, and Restoring Ghetto's Forgotten Daughters, which is a program focused on helping young girls, but boys as well, suffering from childhood sexual abuse, rape, molestation, domestic abuse, absentee fatherhood, and so many other things. The information will be in the box. Thank you. From a conceptual perspective, people talk about it, all of the elements.